Okay, with this question, I would probably start off by identifying the fact that we've got an isosceles triangle here, because they're both radii, they must be equal. Therefore, this angle here is 40 degrees, and this angle here, well, we're going to do 180 angles in a triangle, take away 40 times 2, that's going to be 100 degrees. And you need to write down your answer the fact that you've identified it's an isosceles triangle and you've taken away from 180 because of angles in a triangle. And then to find x, well, we need to use a circle theorem. Circle theorem says that the angle on the circumference angle at the centre is twice the angle at the circumference. So this 100 degrees in the middle is twice the angle at x, so x is going to be half of it, working the other way around. And the reason is angle at centre is twice the angle at circumference. So that all you need to do is find the angle at the centre and then halve it to find the angle at the circumference.